Windows 10 allows you to easily turn off all wireless signals on your computer. This is useful if you are in a place that does not allow any form of radio interference, such as an airplane. When activated, the Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, GPS, and near-field communication features of your device will be turned off. Sometimes though, you might experience certain issues with this. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to fix the airplane mode keeps turning on and off issue. Turn off the network adapter power management. Power management can turn off your laptop to save battery life. There are times when this feature can be causing the problem, which is why you should try turning it off. Right-click the Start button. This is located on the lower left side of the screen. Click Device Manager. This will open the Device Manager window. Click the forward arrow just before Network Adapters. This will expand the network adapter list of your computer. Locate the network adapter, then right-click it. This is the adapter that your computer is using. Click Properties. This is usually the last option. Click the Power Management tab. This is the last step on top of the Properties window. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This prevents the computer from turning off on its own. Run the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Windows 10 has a built-in tool that can fix most of the common issues that a user might experience. Try using this tool. Click the Start button. Click Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. This can be found on the left pane. Click the Additional Troubleshooters link. Click Network Adapter under the Find and Fix Other Problems section. Click the Run the Troubleshooter button, then perform any recommended steps. Update your computer network adapter driver. An outdated network adapter driver can sometimes cause this problem, which is why you should make sure to have the latest driver update. Right-click the Start button. Click on Device Manager. Click the forward arrow just before Network Adapters. Locate the network adapter, then right-click it. Click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for any new driver update and install it. I hope that this guide has been helpful. We would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.